lost under the setting sun as daylight fades. Close your eyes and jump into our wildest dream. Wildest dreams. Into a world created by design, and it's ours until the end of time. Into our wildest dreams. Follow me into our wildest dreams, our wildest dreams. Do you believe that there's something to see? Follow me into our wildest dreams.
Happy birthday, Zara. I hope you enjoy your day. And thank you kasi in-invite mo kami this wonderful and milestone day. Happy birthday. Take care always. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Zara! We love you!
Kasi si Sarah yung batang mataas yung pangarap. Sana na lahat ng pangarap mo matupad kasi alam ko namang kayang-kaya mo yan. Nandito lang kami lagi ni Papa mo para nakasuporta sa'yo. Love you, anak.
Happy birthday, Ate Sara. I love you. Sana makahanap ka na ng tamang lalaki. Sana lagi ka lang nandito sa akin para kampihan ako. And always remember, nandito lang ako para awayin ka. And libre. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Happy 18th birthday, Sara! We love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Zara. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sarah! Wish you all the best. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Maging mabuting anak ka lang palagi sa mga magulang mo. And sana mag-stay yung pagiging mabait mong bata.
Happy birthday, baby girl. Wish ko lang sa'yo, makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at makapunta ka sa New Zealand. Wish you all the best, my baby girl. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Sara!
Sana nakaka-happy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Sana lahat ng gusto mo na ibigay namin. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad. Nandito lang kami lagi ni Pop para supportahan ka. Mahal na mahal kita na.